Hey everyone, if you have accidentally deleted Telegram messages and want them back, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through all the possible methods to recover those lost messages. So let's get started. Telegram prioritizes privacy, which means messages deleted for everyone are typically gone for good. However, there are still a few tricks you can try depending on how and where the message was deleted. The best way to avoid losing important messages is by regularly exporting your chat history. First, open Telegram on your desktop, then click on the three horizontal lines, then click on Settings, select Export Telegram Data from here, now choose the chats you want to backup. This will save a copy of your chats to your computer, which you can access even if they are deleted later. If you are lucky, your messages might still be synced to the cloud. Open Telegram on another device where you are logged in. Check if the deleted messages still appear there. If yes, you can screenshot or copy the messages before they sync and disappear. For Android user, the notification history feature might save the day. Go to your phone settings, search the notification history and enable it if it's not already on. Here you might find messages previous that were deleted before you had a chance to read them. If none of this works, you can try checking media files in your device's stores, as they might still be saved locally. Alright, that's the wrap. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have more Telegram questions.